Life isn't about finding yourself, it's about creating yourself. So live the life you imagined. The language of friendship is not words but meanings. What lies behind us and what lies ahead of us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Most men lead lives of quiet desperation and go to the grave with the song still in them. Do not lose hold of your dreams or aspirations, for if you do, you may still exist, but you have ceased to live. It matters not where or how far you travel, the farther commonly the worse, but how much alive you are. Happiness is like a butterfly. The more you chase it, the more it will elude you. But if you turn your attention to other things, it will come and sit softly on your shoulder. When it's time to die, let us not discover that we have never. Things do not go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined. I make myself rich by making my wants few. Goodness is the only investment that never fails. This world is but a canvas to our imagination. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. All good things are for an impediment. Most of the luxuries and many of the so-called comforts of life are not only not indispensable, but positive hindrances to the elevation of mankind. Every man is the builder of a temple called his body. A man is rich in proportion to the number of things which he can afford to let alone. Every generation laughs at the old fashions, but follows religiously the new. Be yourself, not your idea of what you think somebody else's idea of yourself should be. Books are the treasured wealth of the world, and the fit inheritance of generations and nations. The cost of a thing is the amount of what I will call life which is required to be exchanged for it immediately or in the long run. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. I know of no more encouraging fact than the unquestionable ability of a man to elevate his life by conscious endeavor. Our truest life is when we are in dreams awake. Not until we are lost do we begin to understand ourselves. How vain it is to sit down to write when you have not stood up to live. What is once well done is done forever. Never look back unless you are planning to go that way. Wealth is the ability to fully experience life. If we will be quiet and ready enough, we shall find compensation in every disappointment. Be not simply good, be good for something. What is the use of a house if you haven't got a tolerable planet to put it on? Men are born to succeed, not to fail. Read the best books first, or you may not have a chance to read them at all. The universe is wider than our views of it. I was not designed to be forced. I will breathe after my own fashion. Let us see who is the strongest. Any fool can make a rule, and any fool will mind it. Our life is frittered away by detail. Simplify, simplify. Rather than love, than money, than fame, give me truth. To affect the quality of the day, that is the highest of arts. If you have built castles in the air, your work need not be lost. That is where they should be. Now put the foundations under them. Live in each season as it passes. Breathe the air, drink the drink, taste the fruit, and resign yourself to the influence of the earth. Only that traveling is good which reveals to me the value of home and enables me to enjoy it better. Nothing makes the earth seem so spacious as to have friends at a distance. They make the latitudes and longitudes. Disobedience is the true foundation of liberty. The obedient must be slaves. It is never too late to give up our prejudices. The price of anything is the amount of life you exchange for it. Do not be too moral. You may cheat yourself out of much life, so aim above morality. Be not simply good, be good for something. Live your beliefs and you can turn the world around. As if you could kill time without injuring eternity. It's not worth our while to let our imperfections disturb us always. There is no remedy for love but to love more. Heaven is under our feet as well as over our heads. An early morning walk is a blessing for the whole day. When I hear music, I fear no danger. I am invulnerable. I see no foe. I am related to the earliest times and to the latest. Thank God men cannot fly and lay waste the sky as well as the earth. Dreams are the touchstones of our characters.